Entomology Badge Challenge 2. Habitat Adventurer. I am here in my grass habitat and I am this is one of the 3 habitats, and I am going to be collecting and photographing some insects today. To do this I have my kit, which includes my pooter, which I made at home. I have a few identification sheets. I have antihistamine cream in case I get bitten. I have a notebook to note down things I see. I also have brought with me a few pots and a butterfly net. I'm going to take my pot and let's go and see what we can find. I caught something. So I have been butterfly hunting for a while now. I found 6 butterflies and a moth. I am very pleased with the things I found. This is a meadow brown butterfly. This is a small copper butterfly. This is a common blue butterfly. This is a large white butterfly. This is a gatekeeper butterfly. This is the small white butterfly. And this is the Jersey tiger moth. It's very pretty. So I'm now off to go and find some other insects, probably ones that aren't butterflies. And I'm going to let these go. So, starting with our small white, which looks very pleased. Out! Next we'll do the gatekeeper. Here is our large white. This is the common blue. This is the small copper. This is the meadow brown. It's ready to go. And finally, I'm going to let out my Jersey tiger. Right, that is all the butterflies. I'm going to go and hunt for some more. This is sweetness. Let's see what we've caught. I can see a grasshopper here. I can see another insect here and here. There's lots of stuff. Let's go and see. So I've done some more grass sweeping and I found a few different creatures. The first thing I found in here, this is a 7-spot ladybug, and I'm going to open it. You can see that there. We are definitely sure this is a 7-spot ladybug. And it's been let go, and it's gonna. Other things we found. So we're not entirely sure what type of grasshoppers they are, but I think that this one, I'm not entirely sure, but I think that this one is a field grasshopper. And this grasshopper which is very pretty, is a meadow grasshopper. We've also found I've also found a few beetles. So I have here a shield bug. I'm not entirely sure what bug it is. Can you? I also have a few other types. I have a very energetic fly. And finally, this isn't an insect, this is an arachnid. I have a little spider. I'm going to open it to let this go. Let it go. There we go. Done. I'm going to get a ladybug which is behind me using my pooter. I have it! It looks like a 6. 1, 2, 3 spot ladybug. Amazing! I have also caught a white-tailed bumblebee and a hoverfly. I'm going to look these up when I get home. These are pollinators. They contribute to the ecosystem by helping plants reproduce. Entomology Badge Challenge 2. This is my second area which I'm going to be identifying insects in. This is the pond. So, to catch insects and dragonflies, I have my big butterfly net and my ponticling net. I have a washing up bowl so I can see the different types of insects. I have a few pots which I can put dragonflies and butterflies in, and I have a few identification books. I also have the rest of my kit, which includes a notebook and a water bottle. Let's go. First I'm going to fill it up with water. That should be great. Now,
This is a male southern hawker dragonfly. This is a duck leech.
How come's that?
This is a
Oh,
damselfly. It was a damselfly. We don't know what species it was, but we're going to check it out when we get home. This is a holly blue butterfly. This is a blue-tailed damselfly.
This is a duck leech.
Entomology badge part 2, and I'm in my 3rd habitat. This is sand dune. Over here there are 2 beautiful butterflies. One is a peacock and one is a comma. So, I have been insect hunting for a while now with my butterfly net, and I have some guides, and I have my antihistamine cream. So, I've found lots of these butterflies, and now I'm going to be letting them go. This is a red admiral. This is some sort of skipper, but we believe it's a dingy skipper. This is a peacock butterfly. This is a small tortoiseshell. And this is some sort of damselfly. That's everything that I found.
These are pollinators. They contribute to the ecosystem by helping plants reproduce.